मैंने कल आपको एक पेंडिंग क्वेश्चन दिया था, द ओनली इंडियन रेफरी टू ऑफिशिएट इन रेसलिंग इन टोक्यो ओलंपिक, इसका आंसर होगा अशोक कुमार। तो आज भी मैं 20 करंट अफेयर्स लाई हूँ। तो चलिए, टुडेज फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आउट ऑफ 20 is where can one find the Leuser ecosystem? Java, Sumatra, Borneo, Malaku. Its answer is Sumatra. So here the Leuser ecosystem is among the most ancient and life-rich ecosystem ever documented by science and is the last place on earth where Sumatran orangutans, elephants, tigers, rhinos, and sun bears still roam the same habit. Then, next question is Poram festival is held in which of the following states of India? Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Assam, Jharkhand. The correct answer is Kerala. So, Poram is a festival which is an annual festival celebrated in temples to dedicate their goddesses Durga or Kali. This is held specially in the area of Valuvanadu. This is the other adjoining part of north central Kerala, present Palakkad, Thrissur and Malappuram district. After the summer harvest, this Poram festival is held. Third one is the recently announced India European Union flagship call is associated with which field? Energy, artificial intelligence, defense, marine technology. So the correct option is energy. It says that Indian European Union flagship call on integrated local energy system was recently announced at the India Smart Utility Week 2020. It was jointly announced by the Secretary, Department of Science and Technology and European Union Ambassador to India. Fourth is, which of the following animal is not part of abacus of the Sarnath pillar? Galloping horse, bull, tiger or elephant? The correct answer is tiger. So here that tiger is not part of abacus of Sarnath pillar. The abacus and the animal part of the Sarnath pillar forms the official national emblem of India. In the abacus of the Sarnath pillar, 4 animals are shown representing 4 direction. Here in this abacus Sarnath pillar, there are 4 animals shown representing the 4 direction. So here I write down that the galloping horse representing the direction west, bull east, elephant south and lion north. So the correct answer is tiger. The tiger is not a part of the abacus of the Sarnath pillar. Next question. Tigray region recently seen in news is located in which country? Ethiopia, Syria, Azerbaijan, Yemen. The correct answer is Ethiopia. The Tigray region is the northernmost region of Ethiopia. Tigray is the homeland of the Tigrayan, Irob and Kunama peoples. Its capital and the largest city is Mekelle, the capital of Ethiopia. Next question is, in early Vedic period, most important god was Indra, Prithvi, Agni or Varuna? The correct answer is Indra. In early Vedic period, most important god was Indra. Indra, the thunder, was the most important deity. Those deities were Prithvi, means earth, Agni, fire, Varuna, rain and Vayu, wind. Female deities were Usha and Aditi. There were no temples and no idol warship. Next, seventh is, which of the following mission will attempt to fly the aircraft on another planet for the first time? Mars 2020, Perseverance rover, Maven, InSight lander, Hope mission. The correct answer is Mars 2020, Perseverance rover. So about this, under this NASA's Perseverance rover will seek sign of ancient life and collect rock and soil samples for possible return to Earth. The mission also include the Ingenuity Mars helicopter. Eighth is, Nuakhai Zohar festival is celebrated in Assam, Gujarat, Tripura or Odisha. The correct answer is Odisha. Here, Nuakhai or Nuankhai is an agricultural festival mainly observed by people of Odisha. Nuakhai is observed to welcome the new rise of the season. According to the calendar, it is observed on Panchami Tithi, means the fifth day of the lunar fourth night of the moon between August to September, the day after the Ganesh Chaturthi festival. Is, which of the following dwarf planet has been accorded the status of ocean world recently? Pluto, Eris, Ceres, Makemake. The correct answer is Ceres. So here, ocean world. Research had shed new light on the dwarf planet Ceres, which lies in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter and is also the largest object in that belt. Ceres now has the status of an ocean world. After scientists analyzed data collected by NASA's Dawn spacecraft, the status was given as scientists have determined that Ceres has a brine solution of salt in water reservoir, making it water rich. Next question is 10. Recently, which of the country was in news for its plan to establish a water attack system in India? So the correct answer is Israel. Here says that Israel is to establish a water attache in India. The water attache division will share Israel's best practice technology and water management in agriculture section. It is to operate from January 2021 under the Israel Embassy in India. Also, Israel is to soon appointed an honorary consul to the Northeast. Its objective is to increase its presence and collaboration in the Northeast region. This cooperation focuses on crop diversity, increased productivity and enhanced water efficiency in horticulture. Went to the next question, question number 11. Here that who wins 2021 PGA Championship? The answer is Phil Mickelson. An American professional golfer has created history by winning the 2021 PGA Championship at the age of 50. The 12th number question is new director of the Central Bureau of Investigation. Answer is Subodh Kumar Jaiswal. Next question 13. Recently, Suraksha portal has been launched for which of the following purposes? Human-elephant conflict, animal trafficking, tiger conservation, none of the above. The correct answer is the human-elephant conflict. This Suraksha portal, the government of India has launched national portal on human-elephant conflict called Suraksha. Portal's aim is to collect real-time information and will also manage conflict on a real-time basis. The portal will help to set data collection, protocols data, virtualization tools and data transmission pipelines. So, this is the aim of there. Next question is 14. The 14 is, in which of the following region the Khazan farming system is found? Southern slope of Himalaya, coastal region of Andhra Pradesh, low-lying floodplain in Goa, delta region of the Brahmaputra. The correct answer is C. Low-lying floodplains in Goa. The low-lying floodplain of Goa hosts agricultural system called Khazan farming. The system is a carefully designed, topo-hydro-engineered agro-aqua cultural ecosystem mainly based on the regulations, salinity and tides. The next question is, which of the following is or are the left side tributary of Mahanadi river? Zong, Mand, Hasdo, Tel, Sionath, Hasdo, Ib, Mand, Mand, Tasdo, Tel, Sionath, Mand, Ib, Ong, Tel. The correct answer is B. Sionath, Hasdo, Ib, Mand. So here that the Mahanadi is the major river in east central India. The river flows through the state of Chhattisgarh and Odisha. The major tributary of these Mahanadi are Seyunath, Zong, Hasdo, Mand, Ib, Ong, Tel, etc. So here Sionath and Hasdeo, the Mand and the Ib joins Mahanadi from left, whereas the Ong, the Tel and the Zong join it from the right. 16 number is, the ideal of justice, social, economic and political in the preamble has been taken from the Russian Revolution, French Revolution, American Revolution, Spanish Civil War. The correct answer is Russian Revolution. The ideal of justice, social, economic and political in the preamble has been taken from the Russian Revolution in the year of 1917, which the ideal of liberty, equality and fraternity. This preamble has been taken from the French Revolution in the year of 1789 to 1799. Under this preambles, first is justice, then liberty, equality, fraternity, constituent assemblies, etc. Next question, 17. Which of the following emergency is known as constitutional emergency? Financial, state, national or armed rebellion? The correct answer is state emergency. This emergency due to the failure of the constitutional machinery in the state under Article 356. This is popularly known as President's Rule. It is also known as the two other names, state emergency or constitutional emergency. Next question is, Khazi 106F, India's old golden tigress, can be seen in Silent Valley National Park, Kaziranga National Park, Manas National Park, Jim Corbett National Park. The correct answer is Kaziranga National Park. Here that Kazi 106F described as the country's only golden tiger. Kazi 106F, the tigress, resides in World Heritage Kaziranga National Park of Assam. It is also known as tabby tiger or strawberry tiger. 19th is, Cyclone Taute has made landfall in which state? Madhya Pradesh, Kerala, Bihar, Gujarat. The correct answer is Gujarat. In the Saurashtra region of Gujarat, Indian Meteorological Department informed that Taute, the extremely severe cyclonic storm, made landfall. In the formed, it is the formed in the Arabian Ocean. It mainly causes damage to the state of Gujarat, Kerala, Maharashtra, Daman and Diu. The cyclone causes several rains and winds up to 150 to 160 km per hour. The next question is, dash Indian places have been included into the tentative list of UNESCO World Heritage Site? 10, 9, 8 or 6? The correct answer is 6. The 6 names listed in UNESCO World Heritage Site, you can write the names. That first is the temple of Kanchipuram in Tamil Nadu, the Ganga Ghat in Varanasi and the Satpura Tiger Reserve in Madhya Pradesh has been added too. The 6 sites are Sapura Tiger Reserve. I can write for you. Question is, dash Indian places have been included into the tentative list of UNESCO World Heritage Site? 10, 9, 8, 6. The correct answer is 6. So, the 6 sites are Satpura Tiger Reserve, historic city of Varanasi, megalithic site of Higher Bengal, architecture in Maharashtra, Bede Ghat, Lameta Ghat in Narmada Valley, in Jabbalpur, temple of Kanchipuram. So, here the 6 UNESCO World Heritage Site. You can note down it. So, today's pending question is, World Bee Day is observed on which day? Please answer this question in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please comment, share and subscribe my video. Thank you.